Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, using the power of AI. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, this tutorial is your step-by-step guide to leveraging Pinterest and AI for maximum impact. We'll be covering everything from setting up your Pinterest business account to choosing the perfect affiliate products, and so much more. So, if you're ready to learn the hottest strategies for 2025 and beyond, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Before we begin, if you want to know our #1 recommended side hustle that's perfect for beginners, no tech skills, no experience, and no social media following required, just your phone and internet connection and a few hours a day. And here's the best part. It pays up to $900 daily, and you get free mentoring with step-by-step interactive training to help you crush it. Curious? Check out www.beachlaptopoffice.com now, or hit the link in the description to learn more. Pinterest is a visual search engine where users go to discover ideas and inspiration. It's the perfect platform for showcasing your affiliate products in an engaging way. And with AI, we can take our affiliate marketing efforts to the next level. Imagine automating tasks, targeting the right audience, and optimizing your campaigns for maximum conversions, all with the help of AI. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing my proven strategies, tips, and tools to help you succeed with Pinterest AI affiliate marketing. So are you ready to revolutionize your affiliate marketing game? Let's do this. All right, let's dive right into setting up your Pinterest business account. This is the foundation for your affiliate marketing success on Pinterest. Head over to business.pinterest.com and click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to choose your business type, country, and language. Fill out all the necessary information accurately. Now, choose a catchy and relevant username for your Pinterest business account. Once you've created your account, it's time to claim your website. This helps Pinterest verify your business and builds trust with your audience. Now let's move on to the exciting part: optimizing your profile to attract your target audience. Your Pinterest profile is your first impression, so let's make it shine. Start by uploading a high-quality profile picture that represents your brand. Next, write a compelling bio that tells your audience who you are and what you offer. Use relevant keywords to help people find you in search results. Don't forget to include a call to action in your bio, like visit my website for more. Now, let's create some boards. Boards are like categories where you'll organize your pins. Create boards that are relevant to your niche and affiliate products. Remember, a well-optimized profile attracts more followers and drives traffic to your affiliate offers. Pinterest offers fantastic shopping features that can boost your affiliate marketing efforts. First, enable the Shop tab on your profile. This allows you to showcase your affiliate products directly on your profile, making it easier for people to purchase. Next, enable product tagging. This feature allows you to tag your affiliate products directly in your pins. When someone clicks on a tagged product, they'll be redirected to the merchant's website to make a purchase. By enabling these shopping features, you're streamlining the buying process for your audience and increasing your chances of earning those sweet affiliate commissions. Now, let's talk about choosing profitable affiliate products. This is where your knowledge of your target audience comes in. Who are you trying to reach on Pinterest? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Think about the types of products that would resonate with them and solve their problems. Are they interested in fashion, home decor, tech gadgets, or something else? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can start researching affiliate products that align with their interests. Remember, the goal is to choose products that your audience will genuinely love and find valuable. In the next section, we'll explore how to find the right affiliate programs for your chosen products. Once you have a good idea of the products you want to promote, it's time to find the right affiliate programs to partner with. There are countless affiliate networks and programs out there, so it's essential to do your due diligence. Start by researching well-known affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. You can also look for individual brands that offer their own affiliate programs. When evaluating affiliate programs, consider factors like commission rates, cookie durations, payment methods, and the program's reputation. By carefully selecting the right affiliate programs, you can maximize your earning potential and build long-term partnerships with reputable brands. Not all affiliate products are created equal. To ensure profitability, it's crucial to evaluate the potential of each product before you start promoting it. Start by looking at the product's popularity and demand. Are people actively searching for and buying this product? Check the product's sales history, reviews, and social media engagement to gauge its popularity. Next, consider the product's commission rate. Higher commission rates mean more earnings for you. Look for products that offer a good balance of popularity and profitability. By carefully evaluating product potential, you can increase your chances of success with Pinterest AI affiliate marketing. All right, are you ready to unleash the power of AI for your Pinterest affiliate marketing? Let's talk about how AI automation tools can completely transform your workflow and maximize your results. Imagine spending less time on tedious tasks and more time focusing on strategy and growth. That's what AI tools can do for you. From content creation to pin scheduling and performance analysis, there's an AI tool for almost every aspect of your Pinterest marketing. Some popular AI tools for Pinterest include Tailwind, Canva Pro, and Pinterest's own native analytics platform. These tools offer features like automated pin scheduling, content generation, hashtag suggestions, and performance tracking, making your life so much easier. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into how AI can revolutionize your content creation process on Pinterest. Creating eye-catching and engaging pins is crucial for attracting attention on Pinterest. But coming up with fresh ideas and designing stunning visuals can be time-consuming. That's where AI-powered content creation tools come in to save the day. Tools like Canva Pro offer AI-powered features that make designing pins a breeze. With its Magic Write feature, you can instantly generate captivating pin descriptions that are optimized for search and engagement. Plus, Canva's vast library of templates, stock photos, and design elements makes it easy to create professional-looking pins in minutes. These tools can even suggest relevant keywords and hashtags to ensure your pins reach the right audience. So embrace the power of AI for content creation and watch your Pinterest engagement soar. Consistency is key when it comes to Pinterest marketing. But manually pinning content at the optimal times can feel like a full-time job. Don't worry, AI has got you covered. AI-powered scheduling tools like Tailwind take the guesswork out of pin scheduling. These tools analyze your audience's activity patterns and automatically schedule your pins at the times when they're most likely to be seen. AI can also help you promote your pins to a wider audience. Tools like Pinterest Ads Manager use AI algorithms to target your ideal customers based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. By automating your pin scheduling and promotion, you can free up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. So embrace the power of automation and watch your Pinterest traffic and affiliate sales skyrocket. Let's talk about tracking your Pinterest AI affiliate marketing performance. Know what's working to optimize your strategies. Familiarize yourself with Pinterest Analytics. It provides data about your audience and performance. Track key metrics like impressions, clicks, and saves. Monitor your click-through rate. A high rate means your pin is compelling. Track your affiliate conversions. Use tracking links to monitor sales from Pinterest. Tracking your metrics is just the first step. The real magic happens when you analyze the data and use it to make informed decisions about your Pinterest AI affiliate marketing strategies. Regularly review your Pinterest analytics to identify trends and patterns. Which pins are getting the most impressions, clicks, and saves? What type of content is resonating most with your audience? Use this information to create more of the content that's performing well. If you notice that certain keywords or hashtags are driving more traffic to your pins, incorporate them into your future content strategy. Experiment with different pin formats, descriptions, and scheduling times to see what works best for your audience. Remember, continuous optimization is key to maximizing your Pinterest AI affiliate marketing success. Congratulations! You've built a solid foundation for your Pinterest AI affiliate marketing business. Now it's time to scale things up and expand your reach. Diversify your content to attract a larger following. Explore related topics and product categories. Engage with other users in your niche, like comment and participate in group boards. Build relationships for cross-promotion opportunities. Consistently provide valuable content. You'll organically grow your audience and expand your reach. Collaboration is a powerful tool for scaling your Pinterest AI affiliate marketing business. By partnering with other businesses and influencers in your niche, you can tap into new audiences and leverage their existing credibility and reach. Consider reaching out to complementary brands for joint ventures or cross-promotional campaigns. For example, if you promote home decor products, partner with a furniture brand or interior designer to create collaborative pins or even host a joint giveaway. Influencer marketing is another effective way to leverage collaboration for growth. Partner with influencers who align with your brand values and target audience. They can create sponsored pins featuring your affiliate products, driving traffic and generating sales. When choosing collaborators, prioritize authenticity and alignment. This ensures that your collaborations feel organic and trustworthy, leading to higher engagement and conversions. While organic reach is essential for long-term growth, paid advertising on Pinterest can significantly accelerate your affiliate marketing success. Pinterest offers various advertising options, allowing you to target your ideal audience based on demographics, interests, and activity. Promoted pins are a popular choice for affiliate marketers. These pins appear in users' home feeds and search results, increasing visibility and driving traffic. Set a budget and track performance through Pinterest Ads Manager. Retargeting campaigns reach users who interacted with your pins or website. Show them relevant products to increase conversions. Monitor and adjust your campaigns for profitable actions. Wow, we've covered so much ground today. As a reminder, imagine earning up to $900 a day with zero tech skills, no experience, and no social media following needed. All you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a few hours a day. Plus, you'll get free mentoring and interactive training to guide you every step of the way. Ready to dive in? Visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com now, or click the link in the description to start your journey today. You've learned how to harness the incredible power of Pinterest and AI to supercharge your affiliate marketing game. Remember, the key is to take action and implement what you've learned. Don't be afraid to experiment, test different strategies, and find what works best for you and your niche. The world of Pinterest AI affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest takeaway from this tutorial? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips and strategies to help you crush it online. Until next time, keep shining bright and happy pinning.